हेलो एवरीवन। दिल की बात सबके साथ में आपका आज फिर स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको जिनसे मिलवा रही हूँ, शी इज अ मेंटल वेलनेस कोच, कंचन राय जी। शी इज अ बिलीवर, शी इज अ डूअर, शी इज अ गिवर एंड शी इज अ वुमन। शी इज यू। यस, हम सभी में कोई ना कोई ऐसी क्वालिटी है, बट हम लोग उसको अच्छी तरह से दिखा नहीं पाते। But what she is into, she will bring out your qualities and tell you that yes, this is you and you should try to recognize yourself. कोई भी देश यश की शिखर तक तब तक नहीं पहुंच सकता जब तक उस देश की महिलाएं कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर ना चले। और अगर ऐसे वेलनेस कोच हम लोगों को सपोर्ट करें, लाइफ में हमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए सही तरीके से गाइड करें, सो हर नेशन एंड हर women, even everybody can grow in their life. I welcome you wholeheartedly, Kanchan, to this board where we are actually taking inspiration from people, और लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में हम लोग कैसे एक दूसरे को उठा सकते हैं, कोई अच्छा लेसन दे सकते हैं। दिस एपिसोड इज ओनली अबाउट इट। सो आई वेलकम यू। हाउ आर यू?
Thank, very fine. Thank you so much. It was like such a brief description. I really appreciate your kind words, first of all. And I really want a commendable, like whatever you are doing during such time is really applaudable. And I really appreciate your efforts which you are putting during this time to bring all of us up together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. This is just an effort. So you know, most of the time we all are so busy in our daily schedule. हमें किसी से कुछ सीखने समझने का ना तो टाइम है एंड ना ही वो एटीट्यूड बिल्ड होता है। बट इस वक्त एवरीबडी इन सच अ गुड मूड, everybody is learning things, exploring their inner selves, and at this time if we share each other's experiences, that will really be commendable in our future. First of all, I would just like to know ki, what is under this wellness, mental wellness coach, what actually comes under this?
So it is about creating your mental wellness rather than focusing on the illness. So generally we need some therapies or sessions or medications only and only we fall sick or we fall ill. But the thing which I am doing is like, trying to make a bridge between a person who is not well and who is not ill as well. So what I try to do is I just try to, put him into the phase where is all fine and all good without falling sick or ill. So this is
I
what
think this is the
wellness is
demand
about.
of today also. I mean, when people are locked down, most of the people are feeling कि ये कब होगा, panic situations, anxieties unnecessary बन रही हैं. तो उस time में I think
Right.
you can help most of the people. So I would just like you to share two key points जो आज लॉकडाउन के टाइम में लोग अपने घर पर कैसे अपने आप को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, मेंटली एंड फिजिकली अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रख सकते हैं. So please share something
Right.
regarding that.
So in all this time, most of my clients, they just ask me, ki, how can we be happy? Like happiness is the key. We all know that, right? But right now, the situation we are into, or the episode which has happened, which is very unfortunate though, everyone is trying to chase the happiness.
True.
Like, so that is not the key. We should not try to chase the happiness. We should try to create happiness. The more you will chase, the more far it will go. The more you will create, the more near you'll find it. So
True.
instead of chasing a happiness, we should try to create happiness in small, small things. Like, a person like me who never goes into the kitchen, but I feel so happy cooking something for my family. And my son, they are like my children, they are never into gardening or farming, but now they see, how the nature is growing, how the things are working in nature and all, and they feel happy about it. So we try to figure out the happiness in a longer scale, which is very wrong. And we just, end up chasing and chasing rather than creating. So the mool mantra over here is try to create, don't chase.
Absolutely
And
true. Yes.
the second thing which I learned during this time is like nothing is new until you give it a try. So many a times we want to do something, but we just stop ourselves thinking, okay, this is too new for us. This is like something which we cannot do. So it is new unless and until you won't try it, and it is undoable until and unless you won't do it. So come out of the comfort zone and try to do something which you have never done. There is nothing called new, there is nothing called undoable. It's all a mindset. You have to prepare yourself, just do it. These are the two things which I personally have learned, And I think most of my clients are very happy doing these two things as well.
I'm sure, because these are something really amazing, very small bits, but they carry big, intensity in them. Okay, if I have to make myself happy, how can I do that? And second thing, what I'm realizing is कि ये मूल मंत्रों सारी life हमारे काम आ सकते हैं. That
जी
nobody can,
बिल्कुल.
nobody can actually uh, hurt my inner self. मेरी अपनी खुशी के लिए मैं खुद ही शायद responsible हूँ. And let me take that responsibility and ownership, that I have to take ownership of being happy if I want to be. And I
Yes,
think
and if
this
you are happy, you can make others happy as well.
absolutely,
Happiness is like a contagious thing. You have it and you can
absolutely.
spread it.
वैसे ही हमारे पास जो होता है हम लोगों को वही दे सकते हैं. If we are
Right.
positive, we will spread positivity. If we are negative, we will spread negativity. And if we are happy, so obviously we will be spreading happiness all around. Thank you.
Exactly.
And I would also like to know कि इस time आप घर पर अपना, like you are such a professional people and you are involved in so many things. अब lockdown में आप लोग अपना घर पे कैसे day spend कर रहे हो?
See, being into the field I am into right now, so my work has actually increased a bit. So there are, many people who are seeking advices. So I have started some voluntary classes as well. So I try to, figure out people or help out people as much as I can do. Because me being a citizen, it's my moral duty to do something for my country as well, and people I am nearby as well. So yeah, I try to take classes and coaching sessions as well. And then after a very long time, like we as a family are together without any vacations, without any objectives,
I
or
know.
without any assignments. So I try to utilize that thing the most. We just make sure that we have 3 meals together, which was very difficult earlier because, we live in a different continents. Like whole my family is, I am here, my children are there, my husband travels a lot. So like this is the only time when all of us are together. And the things which were always missed up, like, talking to your parent on a very longer time, or on a video call, or to try to learn from them or try to understand them. I try to do that. Like, the family which was always a priority, but somehow we
I
just
know.
prioritize something else. So yeah, that thing is coming up in a very drastic way, and I feel the power of being united. Like, in spite of we are not together right now, the distance and the everything is, but the virtual world has actually brought all of us all together. So that's the best thing to do. And uh, I have actually taken some hobby classes as well, which are online, and I'm enjoying them. That's why I
That's
said there's
great.
nothing new until and unless you do it.
That's great. That's really great. And I think this is the best part, that हम सब लोग एक तरीके से बिग बॉस के अपने अपने घर में we are locked with our own family members. And the best part is,
And
what I feel is कि we are able to explore each other, and अपनी limits के साथ साथ we come to know the limits of our other family members too. I think if
yeah,
we utilize this time as a best part to build our relationships, to be positive, to explore ourselves and see how much are our limiting beliefs which we can break and come up in future. One thing more I would
right.
just like to know from you is,
Yeah,
there was a life we were living before this lockdown, and of course after this we will be heading towards another new routine. So from
new
being that
normal.
normal routine to new normal routine, what would you like to say about that?
See, new normal is a thing which is very common these days. Like I have often hear people talking about new normal, when things are going to normal. So I would just want them to introspect actually what is the normal thing we are looking for. So when we talk about, the normal which was before this lockdown, it was always about, prioritizing your work, prioritizing your family, everything. But somehow we were not able to do that because the rat race or whatever you may say, we were so deeply involved into it. So this new normal is actually an old normal which we had already forgotten. So now this new normal is actually taking us to the basic, the normality which we always wanted. We always wanted our family to be happy. We always
Yeah,
wanted we to be happy. We always wanted our society to be happy. And
yeah,
this is how we are. Like you see, we are more happy in the family rather than going out and having lunch or doing something which was very common earlier. So this new
absolutely.
normal is not a new normal right now. It was a normal which we have forgotten, and now we are getting back into the old normal, terming it as a new normal.
Absolutely true, absolutely true. And I'm so happy to have you here. I just want, just share something for the youngsters you want to tell, because mindset is a very, very big spectrum if we talk about.
Right.
So, what do you want to convey a small and short message to youngsters, how they should take the situations which are coming in their future, which can help them, a little tip which can help them all the time?
Actually, this was the first lesson which I had when I was studying in my Harvard Business School. The first topic which came to my class was explore and exploit. So this is the time to explore new things. This is the time to exploit new things. So this is the only. I mean, so this in itself is a very huge thing. You know, it's a time
True.
for everyone to explore. Like you can actually explore things which you have always wanted to or which you never thought to, and you can actually exploit things which you are already good at. Like, you know, if I'm good at something, I know right now it's making no use to me, I'll actually try to exploit it. Like what can be best, I'm so what best I can get out of it by exploiting anything which I already have, or how can I explore new things which can actually benefit me in a longer run. So there is nothing called ending, or there is nothing called, you know, holding. It's always exploiting and exploring more. So the more you exploit, the more you'll explore, and the more you'll get to yourself.
That's really wonderful. And I think this mantra could be the best mantra and it can be taken by anybody. And in the end,
Yeah.
I would just like to tell that Nari tum ho jagat ki. Nari tum ho jagat ki sarv vijeta. नारी तुम हो जगत की सर्व विजेता, कभी ना तुम हारी हो, आदि काल से अंत काल, आदि काल से वर्तमान, विजय परचम की अधिकारी हो. So
Very
always
nice.
salute to women, and women are true powers. Respect them and see how much you can explore yourself by changing your mindset, by changing, as Kanchan already said, explore, exploit, and see how many new things will come over your ways. Thank you so much,
Right.
Kanchan, for being with me,
Pleasure.
and it's a
Thank
pleasure
you so much
to
for
have
having
you.
me.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.